Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Singing with Lauren. My name's Lauren, I am a singer and a voice teacher. If you're one of those people who keeps on telling me, Lauren, I don't understand why we're doing bubble lips so much and I don't understand how to do them, this video is 100% for you. And this month we're doing a special series all about warm-ups and lip trills and all those good things that I love to talk about. So I want to give you a little bit more of a step-by-step on how to warm up, what are lip trills, how to do a lip trill. So today that is our focus. Today our focus is how to do a lip trill. And if you love content like this, I want you to make sure that you go join my Facebook group, Singing Babe Tribe. It's our Facebook community. It's totally free where we chat singing, tips, tricks, exercises. At the end of November, we are going to be doing a challenge, a live challenge. So there'll be more details out on that as we get closer to the date, but I don't want you to miss out, especially if you like these Friday technique videos. So I'm going to link that in the description below. Go join us, okay? So today we're talking about how to do a lip trill, or as I like to say, bubble lips. So first I want to give you a couple tricks on how you can get these bubble lips going if you're somebody that has trouble with them. So remember that the thing that keeps your bubble lips going is the air, A. B is a steady amount of air pressure, right? So the air cannot just be a burst and then stop. It has to be steady, steady, steady. And 3, that the surface area on your lips is enough for them to come together and for them to vibrate off of each other, right? So let's talk about the air first. So we want to make sure we're taking a good breath. Our stomach's coming out and our ribs are coming out. Good, nice. Now I want you to take a breath in and I want you to pretend like you're blowing out a candle, but it's not a with all your air at the same time. It's a steady blowing, right? So put your hand here and pretend like you have to blow at it consistently for, let's say, 5 seconds first. So inhale. You feel that steady amount of air? Try that again. Inhale. Great. So what we're doing when we're bubble lipping is we are continuously using that thread of air, right? And we're also regulating the air with our lips, right? So it's not so much air blowing out at one time, but it's a steady stream, like I just said. So that's the first thing, the first and the second thing, right? So the first thing is that you're taking a good breath, and the second is that the air is steady. I think what a lot of people do is they try to punch the air right away, like with their lips, and nothing happens, right? So the third about getting that surface area, something that might help you with that, duck lips. Remember when those were cool? Way back in the day. Or what a lot of my students have a lot of good luck with is this. So try that. Push your lips together. Don't just put your fingers here, actually push them together. We're creating more surface area, right? So how was that? Okay, if your nose is a little itchy, go ahead and give it a little itch. Okay, let's try it again. Remember, good breath, steady airflow, and surface area on those lips. So inhale. How long can you keep it going? How long can you bubble lip? How long can you bubble lip? Okay, so the next step, now that we got those bubble lips going, one more thing I want to say about when you're pinching your lips together here is that do not let the air pool in your cheeks, right? If you're going like this, you're not going to get it, right? You need it to be, you're streamlining that air straight through the bubble lips. Right? Okay, and now let's add a little bit of a sound, a little bit of a sigh. Nice. Let's try that again. Breathe. And then inhale. Okay, let's do one more side. This time let's go low, high, low. So we're gonna go. Okay, so that is how you do bubble lips, you guys. Next week, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite warm-ups to start with that starts on bubble lips. So if you are not subscribed yet, hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if those of you who struggle with bubble lips, if this video helped you. And also, don't forget to join Singing Babe Tribe for those weekly tips and tricks and so that you can participate in our challenge at the end of November. Have a great day.